Okay, welcome to 10 Oaks Acres. We have another idea today. This one may, how you like that? This one may, hopefully it works out good. Check it out. We have a custom engraving job going on right here. Actually, she's just cleaning up.
Come on, dude. Really?
This is all going on film, so get ready, baby.
No.
We have a custom engraving job. She's just cleaning up when we initialed the handprints here. I have a little towel saw blade on that Dremel tool, and we're just cleaning them up, taking any of the rough stuff off and everything. But she's doing a good job. Just getting any of the little pieces that are sticking up and not even and everything. So just trying to clean it up a little bit because we're planning to seal this soon. But we do have another project we're maybe going to try here. First thing we're going to do is set this grinder up for minimum penetration, and I probably should unplug it first before we do that. Okay, that's set up for if I hold the grinder in the position I've been grinding with. It's only going to go about 1/8 of an inch deep, which is what we want for this particular thing we're doing. And you guys can watch me and see if you can figure out what I'm doing. Hopefully it turns out good, because if not, I'm going to be looking at it for a long time. Let's get to her, boys. Okay, I've never attempted anything like this, but wife's making me do it.
Yeah.
So
I don't think so.
So we're gonna try a little artistry today. See what we can come up with. She could all go down the tubes. One thing, if this thing don't work out, it'll be something to talk about for years to come. Okay, I'm liking it. It's pretty cool. But I think it could be ground in a little bit deeper to represent the leaves and stuff. Reveal it. Now, one little crack from the limb, I can go back and do them a little deeper again, you know, because I did grind it down some.
Yeah.
So some of them are not as pronounced.
Like up in here.
I mean, I can go back through them again and make them a little bit deeper, kind of like the ones that are on the bottom. Yeah, I think I want to go back through and pronounce my limb lines again.
Yeah.
Give them a little more definition. But it's shaded good where the, you know, the leaves would be.
Yeah. Cool too, because it helps conceal that crack.
Okay, well, looks like she worked out pretty nice. At least we like it. Worked out pretty nice, and I did this all freehand. I kind of had an idea to do this when I was doing the letters, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to try it or not. But worked out pretty nice. It gives it a unique look. It's something you don't normally see, so it's just kind of special. And the thing to remember is anybody can do this. You know, you just use common tools you can get at any home improvement store, which I showed you in the videos here. And common tools, and just take your time, and you can come up with something really unique, really neat, just kind of special. And anyhow, please like, please subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.